Hey, good morning, everybody. How's everybody doing out there? Dante Bona, OnlyWoodFloors, and this is our last day here in Corona Del Mar. Better soak up this weather while I can. It's beautiful out here. Beautiful day today. So, pretty much we got the stain yesterday. I did a video pretty much showing the raw floor. We were able to stain everything yesterday, popped it with the water and everything, put the stain on. This morning we came in. We've done a couple coats so far. We're on our second coat. Thought I'd run the buff for the last time and then apply the third coat. But more or less, there's no real difference between the second and third coat, really. Pretty much what it's going to look like. But let me go ahead and turn this thing around, show you guys what we're looking at. Let me walk up here. You can see we've got all of our tools still out. Let me clean my feet. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So, how to use a hybrid stain on this. I always tell everybody that they want to match colors. That will never be a dead-on match. There'll always be a difference. We can never duplicate the age of the floor. So that's pretty much what they wanted to duplicate. That's pretty much what we did. So it's pretty spot on. Oh, let's show you guys the pantry. Pantry looking good. Everything looks good. So this is definitely job well done here. Everything looks great. All right. So turn this thing back around. You guys can see me. All right. So that's pretty much it on this. Looks great. Everybody's happy. So happy about it. Everybody have a good one. Take care, everybody.